Some bright morning when this life is o'er, I'll fly away. Hi, I'm Mr. Kent of MrKent.com. Well, I already opened up the video with another video that I made because of some mistakes I made yesterday when I put up a video that you're looking at the front page of it on how to use DASHWARE. And the only thing I didn't do in that video was finish up and create a YouTube video. And when I tried to do that, everything crashed. So I took that video down because it just wasn't right. So this is going to be a correction, I hope, if everything works out this time, that we can actually understand and follow. The first thing that I learned is DASHWARE requires audio connected to the video. It doesn't have to be audio that goes all the way through, but it has to have some audio in it. So what I have done is we'll go over here to Power Director, and I've got an audio file as well as a video file of my BEBOP. Went out this morning, made a real short flight, and so I'm going to combine the two in my Power Director editor. Now you can do this with any editor. You don't have to have some fancy expensive one, but you do have to keep them. You do have to combine them, and they should both be like a BEBOP has a 1080 video, 1080 pixels. So they should both be the same. So if you create an audio file that goes in there, then you want to just create an audio file that's 1080 to match up your BEBOP. All right, I hope I got that figured out right. All right, so we got them together, and I don't think, let's see if I hit stop here, hit movie and stop. There we go. There. Okay, so that's all we need is those two. So I'm going to go ahead and produce this as a 1080 file, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we've got that done, and as you can see, as I said in the video yesterday, it's not all that easy to use DASHWARE because we had to go with this extra step. So we'll close that. We got the video we want. We'll close that, and we will open up DASHWARE. And this time we don't have to try to combine any files. I've tried that before. This is a new project, and we'll call it correction. Okay, CORRECTION for what I did wrong yesterday. Okay, so we'll click OK, and we're going to get rid of all this extra stuff here, 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 and here. Okay, now we're going to add our video, so we'll go here and we have to go find it, which is going to be in the folder right here, and demo for BEBOP is what I think it is. No, demo 1080. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, so we'll go and find our file that goes with this, and we're going to go to the one that says don't use this for anything, but anyway, we'll go with that. And you'll notice it defaults to GPX, which is the kind of a file it is. So we'll click Add. All right, now we should be able to see this thing work here. All right, so we got that much done. We'll go down here a little ways. We should be able to see the flight. All right, so we're going to go back here. Let's go back to where I just finished singing, if you want to call it that. Okay, we'll go just right about there, right there. Now we're going to go get us a gauge. And I was playing around with gauges, and I made myself one. I think that's it there. And I'm not finished playing around with it yet. I still got some work to do. All right, so we got that. Oh, and let's put a map on it just for fun. Put it up here. Move it up here. Alright, now let's go synchronize, and we'll make this a little bit larger, and we'll see if it's in sync already. We'll see how this works. Okay. Well, he's moving back and coming to an end. We got it synced pretty well just off the top of our head here. So we'll call that good. That's synced well enough. Okay. So I think we're probably ready to just let this go like it is, and we'll hit stop. And we'll go back here. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it. We'll go to project. And I think we got everything we need, so we're going to go to File. Now we're going to create a video that goes on. We can put on YouTube. Okay, so we got to find a place to put it. So we'll browse and we'll make sure we put it in. We want to put it in this guy right here. Drone Things, YouTube. And correction MP4. That's what we're going to save it to. Okay, so now we click on create video. Okay, well, it's all done, and we always get this little tip at the end, but that's how we make the video using using DASHWARE, and it is a little more work than what I said. You have to have some audio in the previous video, which I've taken down. But anyway, hopefully this is helpful, and I will be coming up with some videos on how to make gauges and so forth when I figure out how to do it myself. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.